Woman dead after accident on Washington Boulevard. 4 dead, 8 wounded in shooting at a bar in Westmoreland. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A Kingston woman was struck and killed on Monday morning, September 30th, after it was alleged that a blue underfit motorcar hit her while she was crossing Washington Boulevard in the vicinity of Drew's Land. Residents stated that the incident occurred due to a pothole that has been present for months. This marked one of 4 incidents on the thoroughfare since last week, all of which ended in fatalities. 4 people were shot and killed and 8 others wounded in an attack at a bar at New Roads in Leamington, Westmoreland on Monday night. 3 of those killed have been identified as 41-year-old Tyler Damian Baker, O'Dane Scott, otherwise called Moses, and Rocky Lawrence, all from the community.